Hey everyone, welcome back to this Thursday weekly update. Today is Thursday, June the 4th. I hope everyone's having a great day. This video we opened quite a few boxes. We met with a couple reps, so you get to see that. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. And that does it for this week. Thank you all so much for watching and keeping up with our channel here. Everything you saw in this video that I can find will be linked in the description below, so you can go check out on those links and see all the stuff that we opened. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're new here with the bell next to it so you get notified when we upload, and we'll see you next week.